The National People's Party candidate from Mawshynrut Constituency, Umsohpieng, has assured to make Mawshynrut a full-fledged civil subdivision, set up a college and upgrade the educational infrastructure and health facilities in the area. He said this in an election meeting of the party at Umsohpieng village under Mawshynrut Constituency. Refusing to comment on the development and initiatives taken by him during his tenure as the MLA of the constituency, he said the people knows and are experiencing the changes.
Saya kecengkeran.
Rin bagi sayo ya ki development ki baper hagane ka Mawshynrut jongi. Naya compare ya ki wei ki scheme. Compare suatang ka NEC scheme. Mano bayo naki paraim le ya ke NEC scheme. Niyo tang mangi arngut. Uwei uday MLA Congress badai na po chaput. But mga bayo nang na po Mawshynrut. Dere halor ka nongrim bangi at restom. Niyawat yagalat kalenti naki department ki baper.
And now the weather report. The max